Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update SonarCloud settings for pull request code analysis step by step clearly. To get started with updating SonarCloud settings for pull request code analysis, first, log in to your SonarCloud account. Navigate to your project dashboard by selecting the project you want to update. Once on the project page, look for the Administration tab located in the top menu. Click on Administration to access the project settings. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Pull Request Settings. You will now see options related to pull request analysis. Here, ensure that pull request analysis is enabled. If it's not enabled, toggle the option to activate it. Next, verify the branch settings to ensure that your target branches are correctly configured. Scroll down to the Branches and Pull Requests section. Review the pull request decoration settings to customize how the results will display in your pull request on platforms like GitHub or Bitbucket. Make sure to select the appropriate settings for your integration. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, click the Save button to apply them. After saving, it's a good idea to run a new analysis to confirm that the settings are functioning as intended. Return to the main project page and check the latest pull requests to see the updated analysis results. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Now, your SonarCloud settings for pull request code analysis should be up to date and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.